You are listening to the instructions to the guided visual pain reliever, also called Your Moment Muraqaba YMM. This has been compiled and put together by me, your host, Shua. Before you begin the visual meditation, take a glass of water, drink half a glass, and set aside the rest of it. That rest of the glass of water you will finish after completing the meditation. It is preferred that you sit on the floor. If you are unable to sit on the floor, you can sit on a firm chair with your feet elevated and resting on a footstool. Start practicing every day to sit on the floor for 5 to 10 minutes daily to train yourself. In this meditation, you will be counting from 25 to 1. This is a downloadable MP3, and during this meditation, you should be prepared to create an object which you will give a shape. This object will have a shape of your choice. Can be a square, a circle, or a round, or any other shape that you prefer at that time. To your pain object, you will give the following. You will give it a shape, a texture, a smell, a taste, and a color. If you do this exercise at night before the bedtime, then use this affirmation. Repeat with me, I will sleep deep, and during my sleep, my body, mind, and soul will heal, and I will wake up all healed, refreshed, and feeling better than ever. After completing this exercise, if you find that the pain has not diminished or is still there, it's a little dull, you can repeat the above steps. You can do it right away, and then you can give it a break, give some hours before you do it. However you are comfortable. You need to practice this meditation, and that will really help you.